Hello everyone. Nowadays, Garbha Sanskar is the word which is so popular. Everybody is interested in that. The when the lady is pregnant, everybody starts searching material about Garbha Sanskar and how it is carried out and from when it should be practiced. But Garbha Sanskar is nothing but a qualitative antenatal care. Qualitative means you need to take care of that lady very qualitatively, that is in a very good manner at psychological level and at physical level also. The physical level care is always taken by a doctor who is treating her and giving her medicine, giving her advices, watching about her pregnancy growth, watching about her investigations, and all those things. But when we go on psychological level, we can understand the importance of the Garbha Samskar. Psychological level is nothing but you need to practice, you need to know how you should behave, what you should think, how you should keep your mind calm, and how you are going to handle with your pregnancy. Pregnancy itself is a stress, and whenever there is a stress, the stress is going to affect the pregnancy. So, first of all, there should not be any stress related to pregnancy for that lady. She should not think about any abnormal things. Every lady is thinking about how my pregnancy will be there, whether my child will be all right, whether I will have a boy or girl, whether I should have everything normal, BP will not be there or not, whether I would suffer from diabetes. So all these stress when which we consume from the society, consume from the neighborhood, consume from the things there that they have got in the society. So that is not a correct thing. Whatever you are thinking must be a very in good manner, and you should always go for conditional thinking in pregnancy. Always go for conditional and guided thinking in pregnancy. So at that time there is a need of Garbha Samskar. So just think of it, कि if there is any guide who is going to teach you about the diet in pregnancy, about the thinking in pregnancy, about the behavior in pregnancy, whether she is sleeping well or not, whether how to talk with the baby, how to handle the stress in the life. So that is a part of Garbha Sanskar, and that is to be taken proper care of so that the baby will not have any complication and the mother will not have any complication. And even if she has any complication like blood pressure, like sugar, she is going to deal with it very nicely. So just keep on listening my series on Garbha Sanskar by Dr. Jayasri.